Employers have a legal obligation to ensure the safety and well-being of their employees, both inside and outside of the workplace. This is why the Modern Savvy CPA is introducing financial wellness in the workplace workshops that I want to tell you guys about. The duty of care for an employer includes protecting the health and safety of their employees. One thing that we all have in common is the need for personal financial skills. We have this in common with the world. We have this in common with our employees. We have this in common with our business associates. It is something that we all share. Personal finance is a life skill that is essential to the survival of all of us. Business owners should do their best to make sure that their team members achieve and maintain financial wellness. In today's society, it is easier to do that, but there's so much noise out there. That is why I want to bring this to your team. Bring these financial wellness workshops to your team and show them how easy it is by just educating themselves in order to manage their money, have them control their money, and not have their money control them. To help employees achieve financial wellness, business owners need to consider providing access to financial wellness literacy training and workshops. I'm introducing a financial literacy wellness program that will be simple and will affect many things for employees. It will help you boost your workplace culture, keep your employees stress at bay, reduce absenteeism, boost your business acumen and productivity. Financial literacy is what we need more than ever today. And I will give you some statistics. Between 2019 and 2018, research has shown that different groups within American societies' objectivity would have 4 financial occasions. As more time passes, scores progressively worsen. Meanwhile, the percentage of people believing they're above financial average is worse and worse. 15% in 2009, 21% in 2018. However, these individuals even score lower on average tests. You want your employees to have a better understanding of finance. You want them to understand how to be able to use the money that they have. You don't necessarily need to make more money because research has also showed that most 6-figure salary employees do not know how to manage their finances, and they're the ones that are living paychecks to paycheck. So you want to be able to teach all of your employees how to maximize financial literacy to increase their wealth. Highlight the relationship. There are many ways that we can highlight relationships between poor financial literacy and other things. For example, poor financial literacy leads to improper use of credit cards, unfavorable spending habits, lack of emergency funds, limited retirement savings. Research showed that nearly 70% of employees will only ask for guidance when they're in debt or on the verge of making a significant investment, while 0% take advantage of ongoing support of financial advisors. So it's a touchy subject for everyone to talk about. That is why these financial literacy programs that can be included as financial wellness in your workplace is something that you need to explore as an employer. At a glance, these statistics offer an overview of the state of financial literacy, a knowledge gap that significantly impacts every aspect of an employee's life, including on the job performance, health and wellness, attitude. On the other hand, it's been easier than before, so much more easier than before with technology and access to financial literacy for us to teach these things to our employees and help them, give them the tools to manage their money better. Like I've said before, Elon Musk have said that you can learn anything on the internet. So one of the things that you can start learning on the internet, but bringing in financial literacy in your workplace and bringing it right to your employees, teaching them how to manage the money that they're making instead of trying to make more money and still they don't know how to manage it. It will be invaluable service that you can offer to your employees. So click on the QR code below or go to the modernsavvycpa.com and book a discovery call to see if we can customize a package for you for your workplace, your employees, your place of business, and help your employees manage their money and bring them to build financial wealth.